What it is, YouTube, back at you with another video. So we're back. We're gonna get back into business. Gonna start trying to film for y'all. But how's everybody doing? Drop it down in the comments. Ask us where we've been. But yeah, we got a little bit of plans going on. So as you can see, we're inside the garage, the shop. Got my boy Jason.
Oh, yo.
Yes, sir. Tom, what's up, bro?
About to swap the
what we doing?
That egg. Just swap with the B series finally.
So as you can hear, we are gonna swap out his EG hatch, his red EG hatch. Finally gonna take out that D15, D7
Finally.
with a good B18 LS that I've had for a while that came out of my sedan years ago. So we did a little transaction, little trade for it. So he gets something,
Yes,
I get
sir.
something. So
Yes, sir.
we're both just gonna be clean with it this summer. So yeah, man. We're just, like I said, we're gonna get straight down into business, get dirty up in here. So stay tuned, keep watching the video for some good stuff, man.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
We're about to have some
sir.
good plans coming up soon, too.
Yes, sir.
This summer's about to be lit.
Oh yeah. Got the EG hatch up in here, as you guys can see. That's the before. We'll see how far we can get it up in here tonight. So hopefully we could get it in here mounted. Oh, we will, not hopefully. We'll get it in here.
Holy shit.
Okay. Holy fuck.
Yeah.
The cheater bar.
Bump some fucking ghetto shit.
This one.
There it is. God damn. Them bitches were on. They're never coming off.
Good old cheater bar. Come on, okay. Let's see. Where's that screwdriver?
What?
The screwdriver. Oh, I have that.
Here.
It broke it? Damn. Where's the pry bar? The little one. Holy fuck. Them axles are fucking over.
I think you tighten that.
You wanna blow the brake?
Yeah.
Pump them bitches, bro.
Yep.
Ready?
Yep.
There we go. Damn.
We gotta take the axles off the back too.
Out the back? This food. Alright. Well, I'm gonna put y'all on a time lapse. Alright, we're going to this here. Got the axles off, shift linkage, cat, and bottom torque mounts right here, wherever they are, right here. So, we'll get the exhaust off now, and just keep chugging. Yes sir, just getting dirty out here. Well, at least this one's not as dirty as my hatch, but you know the deal.
Yeah, right.
Now this thing is sick. So we're just gonna keep chugging along, getting some clips here and there. We're just trying to do this, so. Ooh, stinger. Sheesh. How you feeling, JP?
Excited?
I never.
Sounds like I CJ's at this motor be coming up.
Good D15.
I'm gonna miss it.
We're not even taking it out because blown up. This thing is freaking good, but we just want to do some.
Anybody want to buy it?
There's food. Nah, we just want to do some dual overhead cams with this thing, so I think it'll scoot. So, yes, sir. Keep chugging, keep chugging. Oh yeah.
Exhaust is off.
Jeez. All right. So I think we got everything disconnected for the most part. Just coolant lines now. Letting it drain out as much as we can. And as soon as we take the coolant out, this thing will drop. So yeah, man, we're just chugging along, trying to get her done. Yes, sir. Sheesh. Well, this thing is coming out for sure now. 2 side bolts, or two side motor bolts. Wait, this 19. Not bad.
Take 2 side.
Alright. Oh well. Phew! Almost out. The ratchet's a beast, bro. Sheesh.
Pause.
What you got there, bro?
Yes, sir.
Sheesh.
Modelo time, fool.
Crack it open. I want to hear it.
Right.
I want to hear it. Ooh! Crack mine open for me, please. Cheers, brother. Yes, sir. Well, back to where we were at with this bolt. These bolts, I should say. So, cheers, cheers, cheers.
Sure.
So we're just gonna keep chugging and beers. So, yeah, man, just stay tuned. We're out here getting dirty. Yes, sir.
Let's get it.
Let's get it.
So I gotta put my beach mitts on, because people call them. Yes, sir.
All right. Well, back to where we're at. So, y'all will see. This thing will drop. Hanging on. There's that little triangle. Oh, put down. Yep. Almost. Where'd that extension go? Extension. Hermes tools. Just pick up and grab. For real. We got the toolbox, but we have the assortment on the ground just to quick access. You know the deal. Our tool cart. Yep. Alright. Things should drop. I got my jack. You want to grab my jack? Nah, we'll be good. Let me just take this bolt off right here. know there's people gonna say, oh, you should do it this way, do it that way. We're working in Danny's garage, brother.
The wrong way.
Alright, there it is. She's on the ground. On the ground. Yes, sir. So, it's time to jack it up and pull it out from the bottom. So, yes, sir. We'll just keep going. Yes, sir. What you think? It's on the ground, bro.
Bro, I'm fucking excited. Let's get it.
Jeez.
Almost in. Almost
There
ready.
it is.
Almost
There
ready.
it is. Yes, sir.
Almost ready.
Let me see. Hell no.
No? Let me try.
Let's see. With your legs,
Oh,
brother. Nah, that shit's heavy, bro.
Heavy.
All right, well.
Alright, well, we'll start cutting panels and shit after.
The skeleton egg or what?
Oh, fuck.
Oh, fuck. All right, we're going to jack it up and slide this motor out through the bottom and slide the new LS through the bottom of it as well. So, yeah, man. Hope the phone don't fall from right there.
Mike, it did shift this way. I don't know if it's on yours still.
I'm all the way up on this side.
All the way up.
Yeah, it's off this jack over here.
All right.
Look at the jack stand. Case. Alright. Well. Scoot the tool cart to the side. Alright. I'm gonna grab that torque mount. No, grab this side. Ready? Alright.
Damn.
Yes. Want to move that? We'll just scoot it as far that way as we can for now. Alright. So you guys can see, engine is out of the EG. So, yeah, man. Just chugging along. Yes, sir. Drop a comment in the comments. Yes, sir. Tell them.
Yes, sir. Let's get it.
All right. Well, as you guys can see, the B series is mounted. What are you feeling?
Still can't wait for it to start.
Start it up, brother.
All right.
No oil.
right.
Sorry. Nah, but this shit's looking good. So we'll see how far along we get with it tonight. So what time is it?
10:22.
10:22. Let's do another half hour and see how far we get. So yes, sir. Mounted on both sides. T-bracket next. So yeah, man, we're just chugging along. I'm excited to see this thing in here. This thing looks sick. So yeah, man. Well, she's on the ground with the B18 in it. So it is about to be 11. So we're gonna call it there. Go get some memes. Go chill with the fam. So yeah, we're gonna get back to it tomorrow. We'll continue this vlog tomorrow and just keep chugging along. So hopefully, fingers crossed, everything goes as planned. Tomorrow we should turn it on and go for a test drive. So yeah, just all we gotta do is just button everything up. Put the T-bracket on the back and cooling hoses, radiator, header, a lot of the little stuff. So yeah, man, just stay tuned. we're gonna keep going. It'll just be tomorrow after work. We'll get back to it. So yeah, man. What you gotta say, Jason? Tell the people, brother.
Gotta go back to our normal life.
Back to reality. So like I said, go back to the fam, go chill. So yeah, man, stay tuned. We'll catch you up tomorrow. Yes, sir.
Oh yeah, catch you up.
The next day.
All right, we're back in here. It's the next day. So, Jason, we're back out here. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
What we doing? What we doing? Where did we leave off?
So we were at the axles.
We got the T-bracket on there now.
T-bracket on there now. Now we got to do the linkage.
Put the shift linkage. So, we're just getting back to it, getting busy. Hopefully we can finish this thing up tonight, which we are. It's just buttoning up all the little stuff now. So, yeah, man. Yes, sir.
Oh no, I was putting it on the.
Oh, on the, yup, go ahead. So we unbolted it, as you guys can see. You're just gonna put the bitch pin on the bottom of the shifter linkage. So we'll see. That pin right there. There it is. Nice. You guys can see little pin.
Put your purse down.
Hit it with your purse, brother. A lot of people call these the bitch pin, but it's on there. So.
All right, well, got the shifter in. Everything's looking good.
Sure. Just chugging along. Trying to get her done. So we got everything on the bottom good now. Now we just gotta put headers on it, connect it to the cat, and it will now drop to the ground without having to go back in there. So yeah, we're gonna put some headers on it. So yeah, man, that's the next step.
Headers, then finish up coolant. Basically everything over here. Gotta reattach the harness, battery tray, battery, and hopefully she'll fire up.
Yes, sir.
Throttle cable too. I had actually pulled a throttle cable for him off from the junkyard from an Integra, but he's just gonna let me use it. It is stinky ass food, but nah, he's gonna let me use this one so that we get this bitch running. But yeah, I'll catch you up.
All right. For the most part, I think we're getting there. I'm just putting some fluid in the transmission, changing out the spark plugs and put oil in it and coolant. So we're at the last stages now. Just putting some fluids in the car. So yeah, man. He's working hard over here.
Trying.
Yes, sir. Just gonna keep chugging along. Put some oil in this baby. All right. Well, put some oil in the transmission. Yes, sir. All right, oil is in the transmission. New spark plugs. Now engine oil and some coolant, and we fire this baby up. I think we're there. I think we're there. ECU. Oh, and the battery. Duh. Put this freaking clamp on the booster. Then we should be good. Come on. Drink, precious. Drink. Yes, sir. Getting after it. Oh, yeah. So what is this right here, brother?
Good shit.
EG. What is this for?
To clean this fucking
Old ass motor out.
16-year-old.
Yes, sir. Drink, precious. Drink.
Motor honey.
And some motor honey, too? Damn.
I don't know what Danny did to this motor.
Everything.
Everything. Anything and everything.
Ooh, that's that thickums.
Sheesh. Liquid gold.
Put one cork. 3.5 more to go. Yes, sir, skis. All right. Well, battery goes on. Everything for the clutch. We can bleed it real quick if you want. Let's bleed it. Yeah, let's bleed it. So we're gonna bleed the clutch real quick. Yeah, it's in that little bucket back there in the rear. So we're gonna bleed the clutch real quick. This little nipple right there. Pump it up. Pump the jam. All right. Open that one real quick. All right. Well, got the Dizzy disconnected for now. We're gonna crank it over just to build some pressure on the oil pressure. So, all right. I think this is it, bro.
Ready?
Yes, sir.
Did you take any fuses out?
No. I just got the Dizzy disconnected right now.
Okay.
Yeah, just to build some pressure. Do you hear the pump coming on? No? Huh, okay. I'm gonna put the Dizzy wires back on real quick. You know what? I forgot to put the thermostat ground. That's why the pump ain't coming on. This one right here. Right here, so gonna get that right there on the thread. So need to find a 10 real quick. All right, see if the pump turns over. Yeah? All right, I think this is it. Oh, hold on. My bad. One more Dizzy. Dizzy plug. God damn it, Bobby. Ah, this is so hard doing it in one hand. God damn. All right. Dizzy, thermostat ground. See if the...
All right, now. Fuck, my heart's racing. All right.
It's not in gear, is it?
No.
All right.
Ready?
Yes, sir. Ooh, that sounds smooth, bro. Turn on your dash lights. Yeah. O2, yup. Bro. Damn, I haven't heard this engine turn on in years. Oh, yeah. The EG, boy. The motherfucking EG. Jeez.
Oh, yeah, bro.
Let's see. Check engine light for O2 sensor. We need to get a extended plug for it. So, yeah, man. We out here. Oh, yeah. Damn.
Bro. Oh, yeah.
I'm fucking stoked. Damn. Yes, sir. this plug as well for the reverse lights. It's too short, so I'm gonna have to extend it. As you guys can see, this is where it goes, and then the plug is right here. So yeah, just a couple more things, but as you guys can see, it's running. It sounds pretty freaking smooth, so yeah, man. I'm gonna give it a little throttle check, a little tiny one. Woo! Brother! Oh yeah.
The new water pump too.
I forgot about that.
Oh yeah.
So if you're still watching, I'll put in the clips where we went to go get a water pump timing valve kit for this thing. So it does have a new water pump in it. We actually did put a new oil pan and gasket in it just earlier before we got it running. So we're just trying to get this thing running, man. So yeah.
Sounds good with no exhaust man.
I know, it sounds pretty good. It just needs a few things, but mainly it's running. So yeah, man, I'm stoked. Oh yeah. Let this thing bleed. Hopefully the throttle or the thermostat opens here pretty soon. Oh yeah.
I'll get a new hose tomorrow.
Yeah, we'll need a new hose as well. This one's kind of pinched a little bit, but it's all good. Just a little kinks, little things, but yeah, man. Just working with what we got. Yes, sir. Sheesh.
Sounds so good.
The old EG. As you guys can see, that's the oil pan. That one's tapped for oil return, but we don't need that. Fresh gasket and oil pan. So yeah, man. See anything? Hear anything?
Looking good.
Sheesh. Oh yeah.
They're running through all the gears.
Yay. Check fourth. Fifth. Well, as you guys seen, got the EG running with the B18. So, like we said, we're just gonna come back at it tomorrow again after work and just button up all the little stuff now. Put the center console back on, where the ECU goes on, the carpet, and what else?
I'm gonna get a upper radiator hose, exhaust manifold,
gasket,
yep.
and we're gonna try to
Find a
source AC bracket from a CRV, RD1 CRV, and
I think that's about it.
I think that's about it. And then more than likely tomorrow after work, after we maybe if you get one of these, the hose, we'll probably take them out to go get a car wash. Do a little test drive. So stay tuned. We'll come back at you with another video very soon. So don't sleep. Stay stay tuned. And yeah, man. Next video you will see, we will take this thing out for a test drive and go and test it and probably romp on it, so Jason sees what it is like. So yeah, man. Drop a comment down below what you guys think. Yeah, man, like I said in the first beginning of the video, we are back. So yeah, man, stay tuned. Yes sir, catch you up in the next one.